Welcome back to the channel. I am still playing with the car. So I bought I think Spectre or whatever that really cheap air filter company is. Yeah, these guys, Spectre. They sell plastic chrome plated piping, but they also sell a hole saw, bigger hole saw, and nipple kits. So if you want to add a some sort of breather line into your piping, you can. And that's what I did, along with adding the overflow reservoir and other stuff to the engine. The reservoir came with the orange hose. The orange hose seemed to fit everything. So let me flip this around and show you what I did. So I drilled steel pipe, grommet, their adapter. There we go. Then I did the same thing on this tube with some CL glue. Then a reservoir here, eBay special. Doesn't have a vent hole, so I was lucky enough to drill holes through the side of it. So I drilled two, kind of intersected them, give a little space, just pull it in there. And maybe I should have marked it and pointed it a little better, but points at the radiator slash kind of in front of the car. So crankcase line, a goofy T to here, and the idle control valve. So now the car idles a little better. Made a little bracket with leftovers to mount that. The box is temporarily mounted. I got my heater core hooked up. And then over here, see, it does let me turn the light on. I cleaned up the wiring quite a bit. So we have our relays, our main power to the relay. Here's our switch on. Here is our starter. This is grounds. I still need to clean up the fuses a little better and then loom the wire. And then for shits and giggles, I throw it up over there to make sure the wire's reached, and they do. And there we go. There's a quick video on what I did. So happy Thanksgiving, everyone. I got some garage time. Oh, and I bought this Harbor Freight flashlight here. It actually works pretty decent. I wish it came with a charger and not just the cable, but hey, whatever. And yeah, the car, starts with key, real easy. I connect the battery. And unlike Lucid Boys, I got a battery that works, at least for now. Yay, it runs. Yeah, a lot of emissions. The rattling is out of the muffler. I don't know if something broke loose, but yeah, let me drive the car first. But once again, thanks for watching, subscribing. Ta-da! Anyways, peace out.